All right, we're live, back again for another wonderful American math lesson. We're gonna have some fun today here again with Kira. Um, say that again, Kira. Awesome. We're gonna pick back up where we left off last time. We're gonna start out with some counting, and then we're going to jump into some more addition as we continue to go up in values and pencils. We got some pretty fun challenges here for everyone today. Make sure that you follow along at home. Kira, you ready? All right, let's get started. Whoops. Hold up. Oh man, of course this would happen. There we go. All better. All right, go ahead and test out the remote control for me. Perfect. Yep, we're going to count up to 4 ounces. Let me help you out with that. No problem. And don't forget to create a duplicate. You just hold Alt. Oh, okay. Try to go through these last 2 ounces as fast as you can. Excellent. And how many milliliters? Excellent. Let's just throwing that little challenge in there for you. So let's bring our puzzles up to the forefront and open up. Where did I put you? Here you are. Our next puzzles that we're going to be playing through today. All right. Here, I'm going to put it straight into your hands today to go through this activity for us. All right. So go ahead and practice this one out. 15 milliliters plus 9 teaspoons plus 7 tablespoons. Figure that out for us. And what's that process called? Mm-hmm. Very good. And a tablespoon is what of an ounce? What fraction of an ounce? Excellent. So we would have 5.5 ounces. Perfect. Any questions? Okay, perfect. And I love the technique that you showed everyone, and I'll reiterate it. Whenever we're counting up teaspoons, because we know that there are 2 tablespoons and 1 ounce, we can use skip counting or counting groups in order to count how many tablespoons we need. So for example, right now we know that we have 2 tablespoons inside of this ounce right here, 1 and 2. But so we can just continue to add up and do some repeated addition by adding 2 onto 2 onto 2 as we count up. So until we get as close. Go ahead and count up from 2, 4, 6. And if we were to go up one more, that would be 8. So that overshoots 7. So then we can add our last tablespoon. All right. Again, excellent explanation, Kira. You ready for the next one? Okay, perfect. Let me just get rid of this annotation. Oops. There we go. This was a little challenge. 40 milliliters plus 7 teaspoons plus 6 tablespoons. That's it, right? 9. Nope. 7 plus 6. Changed it by accident. There we go. Show us what you got. Excellent. Isn't that the same answer we got for the last one? That's what a coincidence. All right, excellent. Now, how many milliliters would this be? Excellent. Way to use the way to use the little markers here. Did you use them or did you not? Okay, perfect. Way to use them. That's perfect. These are getting real easy for you. I remember when these were giving you a little bit of issue just a couple of days ago. You're blowing through them now. So let's keep it moving. You got 35 milliliters plus 8 teaspoons plus 2 tablespoons. Ah, Kira's got this one. Perfect. Spot on. Now, a little bit of a challenge. How many cups do we have in our play space? How many cups and tablespoons? Or that's 100% it. For your bonus points, I want to see if you can figure out what the fraction would be. If you don't know it, it's fine. We can just keep on moving on. Do you want to shoot for it, or you want to pick that up later? So, what would the whole fraction be only with cups? What fraction of a cup, including tablespoons? All right. As a hint, you're gonna have to go into a deeper fraction than 1/8. You're gonna have to go one level lower or smaller than 1/8. Yes. No. Okay, okay. So, yeah, that might have been a little bit of a misunderstanding. Yes, we are. It's going to be closer to one half. But what I'm trying to say is that the exact fraction is not 1/8. It's like you know how 1/4 is smaller than 1/8. So we're gonna need to cut. I'll give you it. I'll give you this hint. We're gonna need to cut 1/8 in half in order to find out the fraction. Okay, let me help walk you through it. I'm gonna give you two steps to do. All right. First off, let's ignore all this. Ignore that for now. How many spaces, how many pieces is a cup broken up into? What if we broke all of those pieces in half? Now how many do we have? Okay, so how many portions is a cup broken up into? Okay, what if we take those 8 pieces and cut each of them in half? Now how many pieces do we have? Count them out. So you see every one of these boxes here? Because beforehand we had a box right here. This was, count them out for me. That's what eighth? Okay, let me grab my stylus. Oops. That, okay, perfect. We'll zoom in a little. So this is 1/8. Okay, what about this one? Perfect. Yeah, 6/8 right here. Excellent. Okay. So we counted out each of those blocks in these pieces. So we can see that here, right? Now let's say we throw another line down the center. Like this. All right. Excuse the sloppiness. One more. That's going to have to do. All right. So now help me count out how many pieces we have. We have, let's count them out. So this is what piece? Excellent. And then, all right. So now, if we leave this line straight down the center, what did you say? Well, no, let's take away the line first. What fraction of a cup are these units? Are these 3 ounces?
Yeah, very good. Because we have 3 ounces and an ounce is 1/8 of a cup. So yes, exactly. If we're breaking up the cup into 8 pieces, then these will be 3/8. Okay. Now, if we want to bring in this tablespoon into the play space, it's not going to be able to fill up a whole ounce. All right. So what we'll do is that we'll throw a line because we can't make a full ounce. We're going to make the group smaller by throwing a line down the center like this. Okay. So now our cup is broken up into how many pieces? Exactly. We would have, let me change up the color. One 1/16, 2/16, 3/16, 4/16, 5/16, 6/16, 7/16. All right. Excellent. So, you were trying to visualize it. Yeah, we're gonna find ways around it in the future as we continue to build it. Cause yeah, like you can't really fill up a cup halfway and create this sort of symbol in real life. It would be closer to this, you know. And we'll have the game pieces set up for that when we do that in the future. This was just a little challenge, and for when we eventually do get to those higher levels. Okay. Awesome. So now we know that if an ounce is 1/8 of a cup, what is a tablespoon then? Yep. Very good. It would be 1/16 of a cup. Perfect. Spot on. You have any questions about that? So before we end the stream, we're gonna have Kira do one more challenge puzzle. All right. Let's see. Let's see if you can do this one. This is going to be 6 teaspoons plus 5 tablespoons. Nope. 4 tablespoons. Plus 3/8 of a cup. You think you can handle this? All right, awesome. Let's give it a shot then. Way to go. That's it. Look at Kira. Kira's a genius. Okay. And before we end, how many milliliters are 6 ounces? And how many cups is 6 ounces? Yep. Perfect. That's it. Excellent job, Kira. We still did it. We knocked it out. Everything went really good, in my opinion. So yeah. Do you have any other questions, Kira? All right. Sounds like a plan. Well, I had a lot of fun. We did excellent today. Everyone, if you have any questions for that. All right. Love you, family. Have a good one. Happy learning.